Hello, my name is Fiona and I work at the Mississauga Library. Today we're going to be doing diamond mining in Minecraft. Okay, so in a previous video we calculated the depth or the y coordinate. That's the best place for mining diamonds. And we decided it was y10, so we built a rail line all the way down to y10. Ideally, when we do start mining, we want to do it in a way that takes the least amount of time for the most amount of diamonds. We also want to stay near level 10 because if we get too much higher, there will be no diamonds, and if we go too much lower, there will be lava. So there's many ways to go about calculating which is the most efficient way. So let's get started. Okay, so we're down to our mining level that we built previously. So different ways of mining. And I'm going to be doing mining today in survival mode rather than in creative mode, just so that it's easier to measure what we're doing. It'll make sense in a moment. So one way we could mine is to strip mine everything. That is, we could mine a bigger and bigger room here. In this method, we are not selective about what we're mining, we just mine everything. So basically I would go around mining a too high area that just makes this room bigger and bigger. Another way that a lot of people mine is by exploring cave systems that are approximately at the same level of the ore, in this case diamonds, that we're looking for. We're not going to do this because we haven't found any caves yet, and there's a certain element of randomness to cave generation in the game that makes it more complicated to calculate. So then the other method of mining I want to feature today is digging tunnels in a straight direction with respect to either the east coordinate, so east-west, or the z coordinate, which is north-south. This lets us stay at the same y level, whereas the caves can go up and down. It also lets you choose a direction you're mining laterally, which can matter if you're trying to stay within a certain biome, but we're not going to worry about that today. It may not be obvious whether the strip mining or the tunnel mining techniques, which one is more efficient. So we're going to do an experiment. There's a mathematical way that we can measure the efficiency of the two mining techniques, so tunnel mining or strip mining. In math and science, efficiency is the measure of the ratio of desired output for a given input. And we've talked about outputs and inputs before. So this efficiency is mathematically written as R equals P divided by C, or the efficiency ratio equaling the product, so the output we want, divided by the cost, the input we have to put in to get our product. To measure this, we need to define first what our desired output is and our input. Our desired output is easy. We want diamonds. We'll also get a lot of stone, but for this experiment, the stone is an output byproduct, not the desired output we're looking for. There are a few ways we can go about measuring input. One way to measure how many diamonds we get with both techniques for the same amount of time. The way I'm going to measure it is by using the Minecraft tool durability feature. So you see in my hand, I have an iron pickaxe. So when you mine blocks in Minecraft with an iron pickaxe in survival mode, the pickaxe durability goes down slowly until it breaks. If we mine blocks at relatively the same speed for strip mining or tunnel mining, we can control for the time variable. We will also assume that blocks mined using both methods will generally be the same hardness, so that the pickaxe durability will go down at relatively the same rate. So let's do the experiment. I'm going to see how many diamonds I get using 2 pickaxes for both strip mining and tunnel mining in survival mode. Alright, so let's strip mine using only 2 pickaxes and see how many diamonds we get. Okay, so we've used up 2 full pickaxes with strip mining technique, and we've got 4 diamonds. So now it's time to do tunnel mining with 2 pickaxes so that we can see which is more efficient. Okay, that's the last pickaxe, so let's get back to base. We have finished the experiment, so let's look at the results. Okay. Strip mining with 2 iron pickaxes resulted in 4 diamonds. We used 4 diamonds. Tunnel mining, on the other hand, gave us 12 diamonds. If we use that efficiency calculation from before, 4 diamonds divided by 2 pickaxes gives us an efficiency of 2 diamonds per pickaxe. Likewise, for the tunnel mining, 12 diamonds divided by 2 pickaxes means that we got 6 diamonds per pickaxe. So tunnel mining is actually more efficient. A caveat being that we actually encountered a lot more lava that I had to deal with while tunnel mining, so tunnel mining was a bit more inconvenient. So the reason behind tunnel mining being more efficient is interesting. If you were to calculate the surface area exposed by our strip mining versus the surface area that we exposed using tunnel mining, the tunnel mining exposes more surface area, which means we have more chances of seeing veins of diamond. I challenge you to try this experiment yourself in Minecraft to see for yourself. After you mine with both the tunnel mining and the strip mining methods, calculate the surface area of the room you dug out with strip mining and compare the surface area to the area exposed when you tunnel mined with the 2x1 tunnel. So just to get you started, if we consider the area we mined out for strip mining as a box, we can calculate the surface area of the box as the area of the floor. So the area of the floor plus the area of the front wall plus the area of the side wall times 2. In this example, this room, I measured it later, is 2 blocks high, 15 blocks wide, and 19 blocks long. So do the math for yourself. Try calculating the surface area of the room yourself, and then after you do that, try calculating the surface area of the 2x1 tunnel we dug for the tunnel mining. One hint that I can give you is that you can use either the X or Z coordinates of the start and the end of the tunnel to find out what its length to make the calculation a lot easier. So thank you for watching. Please visit our website or Facebook page for details on what is coming up and for a digital 24/7 service where you can download ebooks, audiobooks, music, magazines, and so much more. To learn more about Minecraft, you can check out our Minecraft ebooks in Overdrive. But that's it for today, so goodbye!